Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to test the oil cooler on this '01 Ford Excursion. This is kind of the same as the F250s, 350s, pretty much anything that has the V10. I think the 5.4 is basically the same way. This concept can be used to test any oil cooler. First thing I did was drain the coolant. As you can see, it's kind of oily. So we've got some kind of oil leak. I don't know if it's the head gaskets or not. That's why we're testing the oil cooler. It's probably a head gasket, but you never know, you might get lucky. So let's go underneath the driver's side of the vehicle. All right. This is your oil cooler right here, where your oil filter screws on. There's two hoses that come in right here. So there's these two nipples right here that those hoses connect to. What I've done is unhooked them, and then you can see right there, I bought a 3/4 connector. You could also buy a 3/4 elbow, and then just basically hooked them together so we're not leaking coolant. I'm gonna fill this thing full of antifreeze, well, not antifreeze, just straight water, and then run it for a while. And what you're looking to find is whether or not oil drips out of this. If oil starts running out of these ports, then your oil cooler is bad. If it does not leak out of those ports, your oil cooler is good, and you probably have a bad head gasket. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button. Really helps me out a lot. Comment below, like, subscribe. I'll have some Amazon links in the description below. I'm an affiliate, so if you make any purchases, it helps me out. And have a good one.